Hello, what's up guys? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm recording my audio right now, steady. I'm going to be talking about power banks. Most of you won't know that basically power banks like this find it very hard for them to be able to charge, and they have their own advantages and disadvantages as well. This is the Ace ELEC 20000mAh power bank. Unfortunately for me, this power bank stopped working. As you can see, it's not even powering on again. If you can see it's dead, completely dead. Today is just like an appreciation and also like a kind of test to see what these power banks are actually made of. You know, although they have motherboards inside it as well. I made a video, like in-depth video, talking about how this power bank works as well. It's talking about that itel power bank 20000mAh. You see a kind of video that is similar to that as well. That's what I'm doing presently now. I don't know how it's going to be, but I just hope you guys stay tuned to the end. So this is the Ace ELEC 20000. I have other power banks here that are actually not working. There are various things that causes this power bank not to work, and maybe I might break them down for you presently to see, for you guys to know and understand where I'm coming from. These are all the power banks that damage. Some might think that although the damaging caused by all these power banks might be like the person isn't actually using it well, but I'm not using a dig. I'm not taking all these power banks I see that isn't actually working. I'm not taking a dig to you guys that you should not necessarily buy it. The choice is up to you. I'm not liable for anybody that have any forces or any concerns, or their own is actually their own. What they buy, what they use is actually their own derogative, their own perspective. But I'm just showing my own insights on what I've experienced using this power bank, because I've seen many comments on you guys also aiding me that I should do things like this. So these are power banks I've used, and probably you have seen unboxing of them. Most of them I didn't actually do in-depth unboxing. I just did the regular unboxing for you guys to just see how it looks like out of the box. Simple as that. Most of them have moved the batteries in them, like the likes of this one. This is the first one I ever got on this channel. There's also a video of this as well. Make sure you check that as well. Just did them unboxing, big quick review talking about the specs. This is one of my first unboxing videos of a power bank. This is itel 10000mAh right here. I also did the 20000mAh one as well. Suddenly you plug the battery, plug the power bank for charge. After charge, you want to use it and charge your phone. Gets hot all of a sudden. How does it get hot? Motherboard over failure, power IC failure, things like that. So this one, nothing is inside, it's just an empty plastic. The battery has been removed by me, obviously. So the second one I bought on the list was this Ace ELEC 10000mAh. As you guys know, it's similar to the normal one, 20000. There's no much difference like that, if you can see. But I also forced the battery out of this as well. The motherboards too, I have lots of them. I'm going to show you a picture of all the motherboards, compilation of failed motherboards. As I actually say, it's not actually working. They have their own lifespan and they have their own time of failure. Most of the time, if you stress it too much, towards my experience, it may actually fail before you expect it to die by maybe a long range. One is similar to the same specs of the 20000 as well. It's a little bit heavy because I haven't opened this one. I don't know the reason why this doesn't even want to turn on at all. The history about this is that once I used it that day, I just charged it to a 3 bar, and after 3 bars, I wanted to use it to charge my phone. Unfortunately, it didn't work again. Probably this might be gone in some people's eyes, but there are some components that I might show you guys. So it's also a good power bank. This is called a Ultra 10 mobile power bank device. Basically, this power bank is also a very good power bank itself, and it also has the output fixed here, which is the output as Type C out and Type C in. What that actually means is that most of the power bank nowadays, they can also use your Type C cable for charging the device and also charging your mobile device, that's in and out. The fast charging technology that they do with quick charging and fast charging technology for either the power bank and the phones itself, in and out. That's an aluminum body, aluminum like metal, but plastic made interior. One is shows percentage, I don't know. This one is like a kind of plasticky power bank. It's much fashions, things like that. This is a power bank as well, 10000mAh. It lasts pretty well, but not really. It just lasts probably for a year. I bought it during last year, that's 2023 December to November time, and it almost lasts a year. It tried. I really appreciate this one. This one is a little bit okay. This is the one I recently uploaded, and fortunately for me, I also did solar one. I also did an in-depth review as it as well, and also did a review whereby I did a review. If I was able to charge it on solar, how far it would charge. But it also did well. But basically, if you want to charge this power bank on solar, it says on the reading here that it uses actually 200 mAh and 5 volts from the solar panel, and approximately 200 mAh if you calculate everything together. 8 days to charge. Actually you need to have a lot of sun rays. That's what it was actually talking about. Don't actually needs 8 days to charge itself. No, it's not necessary. No one actually needs 8 days. I'm still recording. No one actually needs 8 days. But what I'm just saying in essence is that, see, the battery is there, but the motherboard isn't inside. These power banks, they are prone to die. It is not your fault, it is not my fault, but sometimes they have certain limits of what they are capable of doing. Some of all these power banks, the battery is only meant for charging small devices. If you had some devices that are a little bit bigger, it will take time to charge as usual, but so you don't need to stress it that much. This one is a normal U-Bahn power bank. So that's been with me for a long time. It's not actually mine, but we have 2 of these before. This is a 10,000 mAh. It's original power bank, U-Bahn, and it's also good, but motherboard failure as well. Most of the time it's motherboard failure. The battery doesn't actually fail, it's actually motherboard failure. The power banks itself, components aren't actually good. Let me try and remove this as well. There are some power banks that I've had problems for a long time. The interior, this basically this chip right here, this is the IP5306 chip. Most of all these power banks that come with this kind of chip, that's charging IC, are typically fake in my own experience. So basically when you want to get power banks, you get models that are very efficient, that you need. You know that these power banks are good, like the likes of telltale or Rimo, but you need to spend a little more bucks to get those power banks as well, because you know it's no small joke. What you see is what you get, and what the quality you want to get is where the charging percentage shows. It shows it's pretty big, like 100%. It shows it in a big screen right here. I don't know why it's not turning on, but it's already showing it in big screen right here. These power banks, they have their own capability and their own responsibility to do. This Ace ELEC power bank, I'm so surprised why it failed me, but I really am a fan of this, but not really like I'm a fan of this like actually my power bank. Basically power banks nowadays, you need to be very careful when you want to buy it. I need to be very careful when you use it. Most of the times in Nigeria, people always complain that the power bank is spoiling, but most of the times it's actually used to be the cause of light as well. So imagine if you don't have light for almost a week or almost a month. Some places in part of Nigeria don't have lights, and you want to charge your power bank for only once. I charge it after the next 3 days, 3 bars, and the 3 bars is what you're managing. Imagine using that same 3 bars, same portion to charge, same position to charge your power bank. The lifespan and the battery percentage should be reducing. And the power bank at risk of having failures to the battery as well, stressing the battery a lot of time. That's just all I can say. Any comments, anything you see that or you heard that I haven't talked about or haven't really elaborated on, make sure you call. I really need your opinion on this, guys. This is very terrible situation. Sometimes it might feel like you're wasting money, but everything will come to consideration at the end. You can see all this, your power banks fail. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. There's a certain user that told me I should do video like this. I don't know if the person has the Ace ELEC 10,000 mAh or 20,000 mAh. The times I actually don't even do power bank unboxing video and actual review. I just do the unboxing itself. So stay tuned for the next unboxing video of the VIDS 20,000 mAh, because I can't do without this as only this, because I need to have like another separate power bank that I'm using. If I don't use that one, I don't know how I'll be able to charge in this present situation. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it.